So this is how you can remove films or shows from your continue watching on Netflix. Simply open up the Netflix app and then choose the profile that you want to remove your films from. So I'm gonna go ahead and scroll down, and these are my continue watching lists. As you can see, I have a few shows, but let's say I want to remove the last one. Well, what we can do is simply tap on the three dots and then tap on remove from now. It's going to ask us remove this title from continue watching, and you're going to want to tap on remove. And as you can see, it disappeared. If you want it to appear here again, you're just going to have to watch it, and it's going to appear immediately. But yeah, that's about it for this video. It's very simple. Once again, tap on the three dots, tap on remove from now, and then tap on remove. And there you go. It's gone in a second. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.